Hi friends, today we are going to discuss what is mathematical logic and what are the topics in mathematical logic. So this is the second unit of discrete mathematics of your syllabus. So what is logic? So logic is the study of formal reasoning based upon the statements and prepositions. So logic is the study of the formal reasoning based upon the statements or preposition. So simply I can say logic is the science of reasoning. Logic is the science of reasoning, and logic is a mathematical tool that the mathematicians use when it comes to prove their statements. So what do you mean by statements? Statements are preposition. What do you mean by statements and prepositions? So statements and prepositions. Preposition or statement is a declarative sentence. Statement and preposition is the declarative statement which is having either true or false, but not both. So any declarative sentence which is having either true or false, but not both, is known as the preposition or a statement. The truth or falsity of the statement is called truth value. Whether the declarative sentence, whether it is true or false, any declarative sentence which is the true or false is known as a statement or proposition. The true and false of the preposition is called a truth value. Generally, the truth value is denoted by capital T, and the falsity of the statement, false, is denoted by the symbol capital F. So sometimes these are also denoted by 1 and 0 respectively. 1 stands for truth and 0 stands for the false. So statement or preposition means which is having either true or false. Any sentence which is true or false is known as the statement or preposition. The truth or falsity of the statement is called the truth value. Capital T stands for the true, capital F stands for the false. Let's suppose we'll go for some sentences. You check whether it is a preposition or not, right? So Delhi is the capital of India. Is it true? Yes, Delhi is the capital of India. It's a true. The sentence is having the truth value capital T. Therefore, the sentence is a preposition or a statement. Similarly, Kolkata is a country. Kolkata is a country. Is it a statement? Yes, it is a statement. So whether it may be true or false, forget about it. First of all, we have to check whether it is a sentence or not. If any sentence which is having the truth value true or false is known as the proposition or statement. So Calcutta is a country. What is the truth value? False. It's a false. So it is a preposition as well as the statement. And also third example, 5 is a prime number. True. 5 is a prime number. Statement, declarative statement, sentence. The truth value is true. Therefore, it is a preposition or a statement. Fourth example, 2 plus 3 is equals to 4. Is it a preposition or is it a statement? Statement. It is a statement. Statement. Now, why? Because the sentence is having the truth value as false. 2 plus 3 is equals to 4 is a false. Therefore, this is a statement or it is a preposition. Why? Because all are having either true or false. Some more examples. How beautiful are you? Is it a statement? No. Why? Because we don't know whether it is true or false. Whether it is true or false. So these are not the propositions. This is not the proposition. This is not the statement. They do not declare the definite truth value or false. True or false. Wish you happy new year. It is not a proposition. X plus y is equals to z. Is it true or false? We can't say. Why? Because x, y, z are the variable. So if we assign any value for the x, y, z, then we can say whether it is a true or false. But x plus y equals z, we cannot say whether it is true or false. So this is not a statement and this one is not a preposition. take one book. Take one book. Is it true or false? So we cannot assign the truth values for these sentences. So these four are not the propositions. These four are not the propositions. Okay? So in this topic, just I am discussing what is the statement. What is the statement? As well as what is the truth values and what is the truth tables. Next topic we'll discuss what is the truth tables. Just now capital T, capital F. Right? So prepositional calculus is same. Prepositional means it is nothing but statement only. So prepositional calculus is also known as the statement calculus. So it is a branch of mathematics that is used to describe a logical system or a structure. So is the branch of mathematics that is used to describe a logical system or structure. So what is the logic? Logic is a tool that the mathematicians we can use when it comes to prove proving the statements. So the logic is the study of a reasoning. It is the basis on which all the sentences are built in symbols. So the logical system consisting of a universe propositions, truth tables, or equivalence and implications of statements. Equivalence and implications of statements. Whatever these three. So in the next videos, we'll discuss about all these three things. Now, whenever we are discussing about the calculus or the statement calculus, we need some symbols and notations. Some symbols and notations. Take any two statements. Always P and Q are any two statements. Are the statements. P is one statement and Q is another statement. P is one statement and Q is another statement. So P R Q. So P R Q. So we can use the symbol P. This symbol stands for R. And here this symbol P and Q. This is the symbol for AND operator. Not P. So this is the negation of P. Not P. P is the statement. Then not P. This is right. P implies Q. P implies Q. So implication. This is P implies Q. P if and only if. So by implies. This stands for the by implies. P is equivalent to Q. P is equivalent to Q. P is equivalent to Q. Tautology. Tautology stands for capital T. So tautology stands for capital T. What is capital T stands for? So capital T stands for the truth. True. So tautology, whenever we are discussing about the tautology, just remember that one, it is denoted by capital T. True. Tautology, contradiction, therefore, for all, there exists. So these are some of the symbols, right? So these are the some of the symbols. Already you are all familiar with this one, right? So this is the first video. Next video, we discuss what is the connectivities of the statements. Hope you are all clear with the what do you mean by proposition and what is the mean by a statement, and as well as the truth values. But here in this math, as a mathematician, I will use capital T for true, capital F for false. But whenever we are using the computer language, we use 1 stands for the true and 0 stands for the false. Thank you.